afternoon, everyone. Hi, guys. How are y'all doing today? Hello back there. My name is Ariana. I'd like to welcome you all here to Dodge, and welcome back to the North American International Auto Show. We are so happy to see you all here with us again this year. It's been way too long. Now here in Dodge, we are very excited because the future of electrified muscle has arrived, and the Charger Daytona SRT concept is here. So what they've done, they're giving you all a glimpse into the vision of what an electrified muscle car can be. So as you all know, Dodge has never been a follower, and our Charger Daytona SRT concept, this is no exception to that. So they really shatter those expectations of what an electric vehicle can be. So I'm going to start off with this stunning exterior you guys all see here. So you can see it's very sleek. It has a very muscular design to it. Up in front, you can see that cross-car illuminated grille, and I get a lot of questions about this badge. That's called a frat zog. It's an illuminated white badge. So if you know about our Mopar history, that was first featured on our Dodge muscle cars from 1962 to 1976. So they're paying homage to that, but they're also signifying the future electrification of Dodge. Now up in front, this is patent pending. This is called an R-wing. So this allows that airflow through and around up in the front here, so that'll help out with aerodynamics, and it redefines the front end of the Charger. But you can also see some similarities, so it pays homage to the 1970 Charger Daytona. Now over here on the sides, you have these flush door handles here. It's very minimalistic, except for these aluminum screaming Banshee badges on both sides of the fender flares. Now coming around to the back of the vehicle, this tail lamp, it runs the entire width back here, and it has that red illuminated frat zog badge right there, so you'll get another look at it. So it has a very futuristic look, but it's also very classic in that Dodge styling, so it's still very familiar. Now what everybody wants to know, let's talk about performance. So here in Dodge, we're turning a new page to a new chapter. We have our 800-volt Banshee propulsion system, hence the Banshees on the two front fenders there. Now that system, it features a standard all-wheel drive. It has an electric drivetrain, and something new, we have a patent-pending eRupt multi-speed transmission with electromechanical shifting. So what that does for you guys, it gives you distinctive shifting points. So this will still throw you back in your seats in true Dodge style, because as you guys know, that's what we do here. Now while most EVs out there, they're all embracing those silent or nearly silent motors, well, that is not how we do it here in Dodge. So we have a patent pending Fretzonic exhaust chamber system. You can see that stamp on the rear back there. Now it's actually the industry's first EV producing note, so it creates kind of a dark matter performance sound. It reaches up to 126 decibels, so it rivals the SRT Hellcat in both sound and performance. So moving inside the vehicle, and I do have the door pin so you all will be able to see it as it comes around here. Now it has a driver-centric cockpit and a 12.3-inch touchscreen display. What I like about that display, it's angled towards the driver. There's a 16-inch instrument cluster and a head-up display right there, so that gives you all your critical information. Now it does have a performance steering wheel, so flat on the top here, flat on the bottom. It does have paddle shifters, but my favorite part about the steering wheel is the power shot push-to-pass button. So give that a push, it gives you an extra boost of horsepower when you feel the need for speed, which I believe this beautiful lady does here. You're my kind of girl, I appreciate that. Now also inside here, you can see that jet fighter button. It's actually inspired by jet fighters. You can see that launch right there. It has a little cap that flips open. And you also have a carbon fiber lightweight floor in here, so it'll help performance. There is this beautiful panoramic sunroof. This is made of glass, so completely open air. So that way when you go inside, it's very roomy on the interior. Now with your drive modes button right here, you can switch from auto, sport, track, and drag, and the lighting will actually change the graphics and the sound. So this interior will give you a sensory experience. Now as it comes around, you'll also notice that is actually a disguised hatchback design right back here. So this whole piece actually flips up open, so you have all of this space in here for storage. So from the sinister speed of the Challenger and Charger Hellcat to the power and performance of our Challenger Superstock, Dodge continues to push the limits of modern day muscle cars. with these race-inspired designs that you guys all see here to, of course, their dominating performance. And the Charger Daytona SRT concept, this takes that performance to the next level. And just as I'm done with this presentation here, I will rev it up so you can get a little taste of what that sounds like. So this really gives you something unheard of and unseen on the road today. So it's getting rid of all those boring expectations of EV muscle cars and giving you something totally new. So with that, I'd just like to thank you guys so much for coming out and being here. Oh my gosh, it's good to see you all back. It has been so long. So if you have any questions about our Charger Daytona SRT concept or any of the vehicles on our show floor, my name is Ariana and I'll be more than happy to help you guys all out today. And also, while you're here, make sure you enter to win. We're giving away $100,000 for one of our vehicles. So that includes Dodge, Fiat, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, and Alfa Romeo. So definitely do that. We have our Ram track over here and our Camp Jeep, so y'all can do some fun and do some off-roading while you're with us. Thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and welcome back to the North American International Auto Show.